For long runs of trim and vertical siding, a scarf joint will give you the best aesthetic look and performance. At the saw, cut a 45-degree angle for the top and the bottom. Once your bottom is installed, you will want your fasteners 2 inches from the edge of the board. We recommend using an acrylic or UV resistant caulking for the joint. Once your acrylic or UV resistant caulking is in the joint, you can put your last piece on and again fasten within 2 inches from the ends.